Welcome to Learning Bloom's channel. This is Cursive Handwriting classes. This is day 6. Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn these alphabets B, F, J and K using our old patterns. Let's try from B. Take a curve from line 3rd, go up to touch to the first line. Take a curve and come back a small curve like how you used to write U and end with a small circle. We'll try one more time. Go up, come down, curve and put a small circle. You should remember when it is intersecting, it should become near to this down only. No need to intersect here or somewhere. Put a curve, end with a small loop. Then we'll try F. Go up, come down and go back to this like the small curve. Here this intersecting point, this should become between second and third line. Okay. Take a curve, come back, go back and put a small curve. See, this point, intersecting point should be in the second line. Go up, come down. This is when you are taking back, this intersection point should be in the second and third line. Then where it is intersecting, go and touch there and put a small curve. Now letter J. Put a curve and come down one loop and here dot. How we used to put a loop in the letter G. Same way. Start with third line. Start with third, touch to second line, come down and loop. If you practice, it's become so easy. Now let's move on to K. Start curve and touch to the first line, come back and put a one bump, end with a small curve. When here you are writing K, that time the intersecting point should be there in line on 2 only. In the second line, this intersecting point should become in the second line. Go up, when you are taking back, this intersecting, this point should become in second line. Then go back, then bump, and with the small curve. Take a curve. When you're coming back, try to come straight. Then it used to come in the when it will come the intersecting point in the on the second line. If you're taking in the, you will take here a small curve. Small curve. When it is coming straight, it will intersect here. Small curve. When little slant, then the intersecting point will come here in the second and third. Okay, this will help you to write F and this will help you to write K. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Let's practice with me. Let's practice with me. If you like our work, don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any comments, drop me in the comment box.